Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a password locked door. So the things you'll need are an iron door, any kind of building block, redstone torches, and levers. So first of all, you want to get your iron door placed here, then dig out these holes, then place a redstone torch here and here, right? And then place redstone here and here. Now get your redstone torch, place it here and here. Now it should create some kind of output like this. Then you can cover that by placing it on top of the torch. Okay, then you can make this how much levels you want. You just have to do it the right way. So for the tutorial, I'm going to do 3. So 1, 2, 3. I once tried it with 5 once and it worked out perfectly. You just have to know the method. Alright, okay. Then get out your levers, place them here. Right? Then if you want this to be down or it to be up like this, if you want it to be down, here's what you have to do. Just for sake, I'm just gonna do this one down and this one down. So if you want both of those down, then you have to place redstone torches behind them. And if you want this one to be up, then place a block, then get your redstone and then just connect it here because we'll need it. So yeah, that's how it is. Then go on to the other side. Yeah, that's good. And then go on to the other side. I want only this one to be I want only this one to be down. So then get your redstone torch, put it here, get your blocks, put it here, then get your redstone, put it here, right? Then yeah, now you have your password locked door. But then there's one last step. Connect it to this redstone. Okay. Check everything if it's correct. Okay, yeah, now it's opened, but this isn't done yet. Now you have to test it. So then get your iron door, put it here. And actually you have to make it work. So then get this one down, and this one down. Then just reset it, and then yeah, it's working. Fine. So then get your levers, put them here, then yeah, it's working. So then you can go, do your stuff, get back. So then, yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.